Guys, look at this glorious green. Have you guys not seen this for a long time? Like, oh man. Bitcoin up 9%. XRP, unfortunately, up 18%. I got nothing against XRP. I'm just saying, unfortunately, because it's a banker's coin. Everyone hates it for some reason, but I don't know what to believe of it. But XRP is going up pretty good. Ethereum, 11%. That's pretty good. EOS, 30%, guys. Any of you guys holding any EOS right now? I'm not. I wish I was. XMR, 12%. Litecoin, 12%. Dash, 12%. Neo, 14%. Tether, staying its course. Bitcoin SV, a little bit. Tron, 11%. Guys, I mean, yeah, when the market goes up, everything else generally goes up, but what a green day. What a green day. Get it? Green day? Yeah, no. Sorry. Anyway, guys, today I want to talk about why the market is up today, I believe, and why I'm still mining. What am I mining? We'll take a look at the Ethereum hash rate. It's continuing to go down. People are closing their rigs. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's go to what to mine. So this is my setup of all the cards I got. My kilowatt per hour in USD is 0.062 cents. Hit calculate, and I'm making 4.77-ish a day, 0.11 Ethereum a day. About a couple of days ago or last week, I was at like $1 or $2, but now since this green day, it's been a solid day. Let's take a look at the Ethereum hash rate. So in a previous video a couple of weeks ago or 2 weeks ago, I told you guys that the Ethereum hash rate has gone down 1/3. So that was about here at like 20 or 19,000 terahash or gigahash, sorry, for Ethereum. Its high was about 29,000, 290,000 gigahash. And now it's at 166,000-ish gigahash. So I'm going to say pretty much it's going to be half by tomorrow. It's going to be 150,000 gigahash. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. So if people who are mining right now, they're going to be gathering more Ethereum every day now. So that's good for me because I'm still mining, and I'm sure you guys watching me right now are probably still mining as well. Some of you. Yeah, what to mine? Making about $4.77. I'm gonna say I'm probably at like $5 USD right now in profit after. So let's say if I didn't put any kilowatt per hour, yeah, I'm about 11.14, $12 USD a day. That's not too bad, not too bad, not too shabby. Let's take a look. So yeah, guys. Oh, another reason, I want to tell you guys the reason why I'm still mining, and it's not because of this Murad Mahadov guy on Twitter, but he released this tweet on October 21st. I had this saved for a while, but I was meaning to talk about it, but he shows here that there's these cycles in Bitcoin. This is all Bitcoin. There's these cycles in Bitcoin, and I'm gonna say I was around here, near the end of the second cycle when I first heard about Bitcoin and wanted to start and was mining with with a AMD 7970. This was back in like 2013 or so. Yeah, 2013. And yeah, I was mining Dogecoin and Litecoin back then. I was and converting it into Bitcoin. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. And then I was still going, still mining. I hit this peak when Bitcoin was like $1,000. I was like, hell yeah, look at that, guys. Awesome. And then it started going downhill and kept going downhill. I was still mining, but then it was like, then it went down to like $100 or $200. And I was like, forget this. Stopped mining. I sold all my coins at the lowest point. I had like 2 or 3 Bitcoins or something. I didn't know better. I didn't know what this technology would be. I didn't think I'd get rich from it, so I just sold it. And then, 2 or 3 years later, we're in the third cycle, according to this chart here. It took about 1,490 days to get to this next all-time high, which we had back in November 2017, right, guys? No, or December 2017, at the all-time high of like 20,000, right? And take a look at us now. The all-time high, now it's going back down, and according to this cycle, as you can see, 3,000 looks like to be the bottom, which we did hit, but according to this January this chart by Murad, it shows that in January 2019, Bitcoin should be about at 4,500, but then it's going to continue to go down. It's going to continue this. It's going to continue this cycle trend, this concave trend, right? As you can see, it's just these concave circles here. He's got these trends, right? So this bear trend, this low trend, is going to be another. Looks like another. It's going to be 2,000. Roughly 2,000 days. Definitely 500 days or another year on from this past cycle, right? Pretty scary thought, but it's just interesting to look at this and like we can figure out maybe. And he shows here at year 2023, Bitcoin could be $160,000 per Bitcoin by August 2023. 160K USD per Bitcoin. Can you imagine that? Can you guys wait another 4 or 5 years to see a Bitcoin at 160K? I don't know. It's kind of interesting. He's got a quote here. Hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. Another quote. The more you sweat in peacetime, the less you bleed in war. Chinese proverb. That's pretty good. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you guys this chart, this chart that this guy put on Twitter. I thought it was pretty cool. Like, I think history is going to repeat itself, in my opinion. I've been through this stage where an all-time high went back down, so went back up, went back down. Yeah, and then I began mining at like right here, right before the end again, when the hype. When Bitcoin was like 2,000, 3,000, Ethereum was like $40. I started mining again back in February 2017. February 2017. And mined a bunch, sold some at all-time high, profited, just got back all my money on my mining rigs. And then, I'm still continuing to mine, still continuing to make money, still hodling all my coins, hoping for the next, millionaire, billionaire, uptrend, right? Where we want to get, like, imagine 160K Bitcoin, just nuts. Anyways, guys, the YouTube like trend right now, everyone's saying is Bitcoin hitting the bottom. I think we're closer to the bottom, like I'm all in. I just put all my money into Bitcoin at around 3,000. I'm all in. It's gonna go up from here. Yeah, Bitcoin could very well be 3,000. 3,000 is the bottom. It could very well be like that. I wouldn't be surprised if it's gonna go even lower. But if it holds true, this guy is a prophet. This guy is a god. Yeah, anyway, guys, that's just all I wanted to talk about tonight. And let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys are still mining, if you guys are buying right now, if you guys are selling, if you guys are capitulating, you know, all that jazz. Let me know down below. Anyways, please like and subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. I know I'm saying a lot of ums in my video. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to get rid of that. As well as please use my affiliate links down below if you'd like. If you buy stuff on Amazon, I'd get a little kickback, a little commission from that when you buy something. Helps out a lot. And keep on mining, guys. Keep on mining. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.